there everybody, welcome to Wendy.Le.Genius kitchen. Today we're going to be making tres leches cake. Let's get into it. Wendy.Le.Genius, you know.
You were thinking I was unpredictable, but to me you were so unreliable. You can tell them it is undeniable. This is what you wanted me to be. Did you think that I was so expandable, that my feelings to you are inflatable? Is that what you were missing, unbreakable? Let me introduce myself. Who am I, auntie? Baby, it's the time you were missing, auntie. You can do me nothing, I'm solid, auntie. I start on to tell you who I am, auntie. It's my mama told me right and it's tacky. Wasting time for burning on my nighttime candle. Mess it up and blame it on me, call Mr. Bone. Tossing everyone around the lights like gumbo. Riding yourself on your back, you got that ladder. You didn't care who you are, yeah. In a life of different God, yeah. You will never put me down, no, no. Remember I'm the queen in the crown, oh my auntie. Baby, it's the time you are missing, auntie. You can do me nothing, I'm solid, auntie. Ask around to tell you who I am, auntie. Baby, it's the time you are missing, auntie. You can do me nothing, I'm solid, auntie. Ask around to tell you who I am, auntie. It's my mama told me right and it's tacky.
A few moments later.
Baby, it's the time you are missing, auntie. You can do me nothing, I'm solid, auntie. Ask around to tell me who I am, auntie.
1 cup heavy whipping cream, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Lastly, we're going to add a 1/4 cup powdered sugar. And just whisk it up.
A few moments later. "24 hours later."
If you need to see more on food, music, beauty, fashion, DIY, flying, and so much more, kindly hit on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that every single time we're going to be making an upload, you are going to be notified. Thank you so much for the love and support, and we will see you on the next one. Peace!